Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vinnu Vinay. Actually, today we are going to react to a tribute video of some actor. It seems Renita just called me and told that, sir, we have to react to tribute to an actor. That's it. She told. The remaining all I don't know. For that, we have to call Renita and we have to ask whatever the video we are watching and what is the tribute and who is the actor and all. Okay. For that, we'll go and call Renita. Hi Renita, how are you?
Hi sir, how are you? I'm good.
Yeah, I'm also good. Yeah, tell me why you called and you told me to react to a tribute of an actor. What is the tribute and who is the actor and all?
Actually, we are going to react to Try Not to Cry Sushant Singh Rajput tribute video. I really wanted to do this because
Okay.
I just really loved him a lot as an actor.
Then we'll go to the video first. Later we'll talk about him. Even I don't know much about Sushant Singh. I have watched a few videos.
बहुत टाइम है ना हमारे पास।
और क्या
अभी बताइए कि आप बहुत बड़े एक्टर के बेटे नहीं हैं, किसी डायरेक्टर के भांजे भतीजे नहीं
जी।
हैं, नए नए आए आप इंडस्ट्री में, बहुत फेमस सीरियल के लीड हीरो, फिर कायपोचे, फिर आमिर खान के साथ फिल्म, फिर उसके बाद टाइटल रोल ब्योमकेश बख्शी और अब धोनी। यू आर प्लेइंग द धोनी। बस मेहनत तो बहुत लोग करते हैं, इतनी किस्मत बहुत कम में होती है।
हाँ नहीं नहीं
Right
ऐसा
people.
तुक्का नहीं होता
फिर
तुक्का नहीं और अगर एक बार लग भी जाए तो बार बार नहीं लगता
बार-बार।
ये सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ की वजह से होता है नो मैटर आप कहीं से भी हो वो सारी हिस्ट्री अगेंस्ट हो फैक्ट्स अगेंस्ट हो लेकिन अगर आप वो कैसे भी अपने आप को लॉजिकली कन्विंस करा दे तो जो आप सपना देख रहे हो वो हो जाएगा तो वो हो जाएगा।
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे सुशांत? हाउ यू फीलिंग राइट नाउ?
9 साल हो गए माँ के गए हुए जब मैं 16 साल का था और माँ गई तब तक थी मेरे साथ तब तक मैंने कुछ नहीं किया था लेकिन माँ के जाने के बाद जितना भी कुछ हुआ अच्छा मेरी छोटी छोटी बात पे खुश होती थी। आज इतना कुछ अच्छा है लेकिन बट शी इज़ नॉट देयर लेकिन वो हमेशा मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोचा करती थी कि मैं ऐसा कभी कुछ करूँगा। मैंने ये गाना सुना तो बस वही मैं श्योर कि मुझे इस पर कुछ करना है बिकॉज मेरे अंदर से आ रहा था और मैं माँ को ये बताना चाहता था कि रियली मिस यू। I don't know whether people get it or not, but I have started from nothing, absolutely nothing. It's not even zero, it's like minus because I was doing something else. There was a momentum to become an engineer and suddenly I discovered this thing that I really like and I start doing it. But at the same time, I think I would value a massive failure more than a mediocre success.
और रिजल्ट डिसाइड नहीं करता तो लूजर हो कि नहीं तुम्हारी कोशिश डिसाइड करती है और कोशिश तो आपने बहुत करी ना बेटा।
Most important thing that we miss or we want in our lives, we want to be understood by somebody else. And when you act, that is what happens. I mean, like when that resonance happens, when you feel something,
You connect it.
and they get it. That's the resonance that happens, and you feel so good about it.
And do you get sad or not even that?
Of course, I do get that all the time. Because we are so conditioned into thinking that there will be a day when we'll do something, and that's when people will recognize who you are, and that will be the day. When you have to, when you're continuously thinking what people think of you, is when the failure is defined, the success is defined, your excitement is defined. As a kid, I also had many dreams, like common dreams. I'll buy my own house and I'll buy this car, it's a luxury car. So these things were there, and now when I started earning money to an extent that I could actually afford all these things, what happened? That while I was doing my work, I also was realizing this fact that everything that I stayed with for so many years, for like 20 years of my life, thinking that one day I'll get this and then I'll arrive, I'll be successful. Those things just stayed with me for a few days. And I very quickly got used to owning those things. You tell me I'm a superstar, I'll take it. You tell me that you're the biggest star, you would be the biggest star of this industry, and I'll say probably yes. And if you tell me that I don't think that you're a star. I'm with you.
तो तब होता है ना जब आप फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच रहे हो तो आप सोच रहे हो कि एक दिन कुछ अच्छा होगा तब तक मैं ऐसा इसको सह लूँगा। ऐसा है ही नहीं। वो फ्यूचर में है ही नहीं, वो पास्ट में है ही नहीं, वो अभी में है।
So a very successful, good-looking guy becomes paraplegic, and a regular guy wins a lottery. So there is a huge spike in both the graphs, and after 6 months, they come back to their neutral position. Everybody of them. So this is what we do after. So we overestimate the impact that's going to happen if we are successful or we fail. But it doesn't happen like that.
Oh yeah, whose career would you like to emulate?
My career, 20. I would like to be what I want to be 20 years down the line. So if I get there, I'll be very happy. It's very hard to be a good actor. It's harder to be a good human being, and I want to be both before I'm done. So probably that.
जिस महफिल ने ठुकराया हमको क्यों उस महफिल को याद करें? आगे लम्हे बुला रहे हैं, आओ।
Sushant Singh Rajput. Actually, I don't know much Hindi, frankly speaking.
Okay.
I have watched his only 3 films. I don't know how many films. Frankly speaking, I don't know much about him. I have watched only 3 films of Sushant Singh Rajput. First one I watched is MS Dhoni, and it
Okay.
was released in Telugu too, so I watched it in Telugu.
Okay.
Second thing, it was Chichore.
Chichore, yeah.
Yeah, I went to that film.
Actually, Chichore, in that movie, he's trying to show that every
Failure, yeah.
human can actually do achieve anything if they are if they have a deep desire inside, they can achieve anything. That is actually he's trying to
Yeah.
portray through that movie. Actually,
Yeah, actually, I like in that film that his son has attempted suicide.
yeah,
That,
because
he used to tell that
wasn't
I
able
have
to
failed in some
pass an
exams or
exam.
something. He
Yeah.
used to tell. Then he told if for every failure we need to die means your father should die in the college life only. But I didn't die, and he used to tell his story. But in that film, he didn't won the competition. I
Yeah.
actually had a doubt that he had gave such a good film regarding this suicide and all, but why had he attempted the suicide? I am not at all getting that why he had done.
Sir, I firmly believe that this is not a suicide. This is some kind of nepotism in the industry. Nepotism and shit and all in the industry actually made him die. I don't think he committed suicide. He's such a kind person. He's such a humble man. I don't think he committed
Yeah.
suicide.
Talking about this nepotism,
Okay.
frankly speaking, if Sushant Singh Rajput, if he is a South Indian actor, he used to become a star. I definitely say if it is Telugu, Tamil, Kannada or Malayalam, whatever the South Indian language, I don't know. But if he come for South India, he will definitely become a star. Because South Indian people always encourage new talent.
Yeah, being from a non-filmy background, that is why that caused his death. I firmly believe. I once saw an interview with Kangana Ranaut. Actually, she's against nepotism and all. She's telling that yeah, this is not a suicide. It's kind of a murder thing. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I support Kangana for that she is against to this nepotism and all. But the main problem of our Telugu people is most of our Telugu people don't like Kangana Ranaut
Why, sir?
because there is a director called Radha Krishna.
Okay.
He had directed so many huge films in Telugu called Vedam, Allu Arjun. Gamyam, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum, Kancha National Award film.
Okay.
And he has directed some Hindi film also. After that, there's a film called Manikarnika.
Okay.
I think you watched it. The Jhansi Lakshmibai story regarding that film.
Oh. Okay.
That film
Okay.
director was Radhakrishna.
Okay, Radhakrishna. Okay.
After half of the film shooting has been completed, I don't know what is the reason. I don't know the reason, but Krish has thrown out of the film.
Oh, okay. Due to what? Due to some reasons?
Yeah, I don't know what is the reason. We don't know. I mean,
Okay.
after throwing this Radha Krishna out, Kangana
Okay.
has directed the film.
Oh, okay.
Then we don't know what is the reason. For that sake, we don't like Kangana.
Okay.
Only for that sake.
Only for that reason. Okay.
Only for that reason, most of the Telugu people don't like Kangana.
Okay.
But even I support her for the nepotism and all. But even I also don't like, because Krish is one of my favorite directors.
Okay.
Krish is a great director in Telugu. We like Krish more. That's why we didn't like. That's it. Apart from that, we don't have any problem, because she has already done a Telugu film. You know that?
Which film, sir?
She has done a film with Prabhas called Ek Niranjan.
Okay, no, I haven't
Yeah.
watched that film yet. Yeah.
He acted in
Okay.
Telugu as well as in Tamil also. With
Okay.
Jayam Ravi. With Jayam Ravi, she has acted.
Oh, Jayam Ravi. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After that, she went to Hindi, but I don't know why she didn't come back to South. Guys, I hope that our video reaction was good. Actually, I got more emotional by watching this film and all. Please, if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And we'll be doing more videos in coming days.
आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो ज़रूर लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. So I got really emotional while seeing the video. That is why I don't want to talk much about him. Actually, it's a great loss to the industry. I can't believe he is no more. So if you like our reaction, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. May your soul rest in peace, Sushant Singh Rajput. We really love you. Thank you all. Thank you for supporting us. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
So channel
And
Vinnu Vinay.
Vinnu Vinay, and we'll be posting more. And if you have any suggestions, please let us know in the comment sections. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.